Hello there, in this video we're going to take a look at a Figma plugin that can import the HTML and CSS from a website into a Figma design. So let's go. Okay, welcome back to Figma. So let's dive into our plugins and let's take a look. So let's go here and let's click on HTML to design and let's open up this plugin and take a look. Okay, so this is the default plugin screen. So let's break it down. There's a few options here. So we've got web, extension, file editor, MCP and API. So I'm guessing, yeah, so we can connect it with our browser. We can import files. We can paste in HTML and CSS here. We can connect to MCP here. And we've got an API here for developers. So let's just go back to web. We're going to use the web version for now. What I'll do is let's leave apple.com in for now as an example. Let's click on the pencil here and let's see what we have. So we've got different viewports that we can include. We can include different themes, different languages. I guess you can close, reset to defaults. Let's go to import options. So default configuration for any domain. So we can use auto layout, create local styles and variables, existing local styles, hover effects, high-res images and hyperlinks. So that's quite cool that we've got those options, but let's just go ahead, let's do apple.com and let's click on import. So by default I just left it to the 1920 viewport. Okay, so it's come up with a pop-up here. It's obviously doing some font mappings as well. So if you don't have certain fonts, it's going to replace them with others. We've got our options again, so using auto layouts, creating local styles and variables. I'm going to toggle on create local styles and variables and let's just leave it to that and let's just add it to canvas. Okay, so something appears behind the plugin. Let's just close this down. So it's gone ahead. Let's just press command /. Let's zoom in. So it's taken a copy of the existing website and it's popped it into Figma for me. Got like a massive carousel set of images here and here, and then the footer. So let's just press command / again. Let's just go in and am I able to, oh I can, that's good. So I can go ahead and I can edit things. You've got access to the buttons, different text. I wonder if that's the case on all of them. Yeah, seems to be the case. That's quite good. Let me just click off of the frame. Let's just go into textiles. So it looks like it's added some textiles in here. Color styles. Seems to have done the same as well. Scroll up, let's go to variables. So it's added lots of different variables for apple.com. So we've got color, let's just minimize that. We've got stroke weight, font family, font size, font weight, letter spacing, opacity. Yeah, so it's done a pretty good job for just a few seconds. It's imported all the details that we need. Let's go ahead, let's just click over here. I just want to try it one more time. Let's do same plugin again, HTML to design. Let's go apple.com, but let me just change it from 1920. Let's do mobile. Let's close that and let's click on import. Okay, let me just close down the plugin again. So I think it's given me the 1920 again, but it's also given me the mobile view as well. So let's just zoom in, see how good that is. I think it seems to have added what appears to be a huge carousel again. Let me just move the mobile version along. Just paste it over here for now. Okay, so here's the mobile version. Seems to be pretty good. It's taken everything that I wanted. I've got the epic carousel here at the bottom and down to the footer. I wonder if we can go in. Yeah, we can edit all of this as well. So yeah, overall a pretty good plugin. It allows you to take a website, import it into Figma pretty quickly. I think this would be really good for potentially mood boarding, or if you're ideating some kind of layout. You could very quickly select certain websites, import them into Figma and see how they're structured to get ideas for your layouts. So yeah, just going back to the plugin, I think you get 10 free imports every month, so it resets every month. I imagine you can upgrade to Pro and get a lot more. Let's have a look at the website to see if there's any more information on there. So yeah, this is the community page in the browser. Again, it's showing you some of the different things that you can do. Yeah, there seems to be some documentation as well. So just to get started, how to use the browser extension, import methods. Nice to see there's a lot of documentation because sometimes some of the plugins don't have any and it's a bit of a guessing game. So this is nice. So yeah, if you want to convert a website into a fully editable design, this is the plugin to use. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for getting to the end. So like, subscribe, all of those things, and I will see you next week in another video. See ya. Decisions. What am I gonna have for breakfast?